Ever felt like unlocking the full potential of TradingView was just out of reach because of the subscription cost? You're not alone. Many traders, both beginners and experienced, often wonder if there's a way to access those powerful premium features without breaking the bank. Well, today, we're diving into some clever strategies that might just help you experience the paid tiers of TradingView for free. Now, before we go any further, let's be crystal clear. There isn't a magic button or a secret hack that grants you permanent, completely free access to TradingView Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium. TradingView is a business, and those subscriptions fund the incredible tools and data they provide. However, there are legitimate ways to potentially enjoy those features temporarily or indirectly without paying directly. One of the most straightforward methods is to take advantage of TradingView's free trials. TradingView frequently offers trial periods for their various paid plans. These trials typically last for 30 days and give you full access to all the features of the chosen tier. Keep an eye out for these offers, which are often promoted on their website or through email campaigns. By strategically timing these trials, you can experience the benefits of a paid plan firsthand. Just remember to cancel before the trial period ends if you don't intend to subscribe, to avoid being charged. Another avenue to explore is TradingView's referral program. TradingView often rewards users who refer new members to their platform. While the specific rewards can vary, they sometimes include discounts or even free access to paid features for a certain period. If you have friends or colleagues who are also interested in trading, sharing your referral link could be a win-win situation. They get to join a fantastic platform, and you might snag some premium perks in the process. Engaging with the TradingView community can also indirectly lead to accessing paid features. TradingView hosts various trading competitions and challenges, sometimes sponsored by brokers or TradingView themselves. These competitions often offer attractive prizes, and occasionally, a premium TradingView subscription is part of the reward package. Participating in these events not only sharpens your trading skills but also presents an opportunity to gain access to paid features without direct payment. Furthermore, keep an eye on promotions and discounts offered during special events or holidays. TradingView, like many other platforms, sometimes runs limited-time offers on their subscription plans. These promotions might not be entirely free, but they can significantly reduce the cost of accessing premium features, making them more accessible. Finally, consider the power of collaboration. If you're part of a trading group or community, discuss the possibility of a shared subscription. While TradingView's terms of service might restrict individual account sharing, some teams or organizations might find it cost-effective to invest in a higher-tier plan that caters to multiple users. This way, you can indirectly benefit from the advanced features without bearing the full cost yourself. Remember, while these strategies can potentially grant you access to paid TradingView features without a direct payment, they are often temporary or require some effort. The best way to consistently support the platform and enjoy uninterrupted access to all its tools is through a paid subscription. However, these methods can be valuable for experiencing the premium features, saving money in the short term, or exploring different subscription tiers before committing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.